Well, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. First off, I want to say happy Easter to all of my babies, all of my subscribers right now. Happy Easter to y'all. I hope y'all are so excited to see this makeup tutorial that I did on this Easter look, y'all. First off, y'all already know it's been a minute since I did a real bold, colorful makeup tutorial. Anyway, it's been a real minute for this, but I'm so excited. I'm proud of myself actually, because I'm back out here with the makeup, you know, with the colors and stuff, and it's cute. Like, y'all like this look right now? Make sure y'all thumbs up this video, y'all. Yeah, it's actually raining right now during this quarantine and stuff like this. We got some storming and some bad weather going on right now, but hey, I ain't tripping. I'm still in the house cute, so that's all that matters or whatever. But y'all, I hope y'all like this makeup tutorial, this look. Y'all learn something from me or whatever like that. I will let y'all know early on or whatever that my camera had died on me or whatever, so I didn't get to really fulfill the whole makeup tutorial and this look like I wanted to. But you know, y'all get it, and if y'all have any questions, y'all could just DM me or comment below and just ask me or whatever, and I'll get back with y'all or whatever. And I am going to have it in the description box below of all the products and eyeshadow palettes and stuff that I've used in this makeup tutorial or whatever like that. So yeah, y'all feel free for all the info or DM me for any info like that. And yeah, but y'all already know, if y'all like this look right now and throughout this video, I want y'all to thumbs up this video, y'all. Definitely like this video, y'all. And y'all already know, if you haven't already, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel right now. Your nieces, your nephews, let everybody know, all your friends, your homegirls, your homeboys, let everybody know to subscribe to my channel right now, y'all. Make sure they press that notification bell so they can know when your girl posts a video. So definitely give that notification bell a ring-a-ding-ding, okay? Y'all can comment anything down below. Like I said, any videos y'all want to see, like pranks, makeup tutorials, challenges, mukbang, anything y'all want to see me do or whatever, because y'all love my content, y'all love what I bring to y'all. Make sure y'all comment that below or go to my DM and let your girl know, okay? And I'm gonna get back with y'all on that. But without further ado, let's hop right into this makeup tutorial.